Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to do an experiment to check density. First of all, can anyone tell what is density? Yes.
The mass of an object per unit volume is measured as its density.
Yes. So we will check the density. For that we require 2 glass, water, lemon, salt. Now what I will do, I will put water in one of the glass and I will put one lemon in it. Now what are you observing? Yes.
Lemon sinks.
Yes. The lemon in this glass, it sinks. Now what I will do, I'll put water in another glass and add 2 teaspoons of salt. And let the salt get dissolved. I'll take another lemon and put it in it. Now what are you observing?
Lemon floats.
Yes, the lemon in this glass, it floats. Now why it is? In the first glass, it had only the tap water. So here the density of lemon was more than the water. Now when we add the salt in the another glass, the density of water increases. And that is the reason why the lemon floats here and in this glass the lemon sinks. Okay, thank you.